everyone, it's Avery. Welcome back to Girls. So it's winter time, meaning chapped lips. I have them, you have them, we both hate them. So we're going to do something to fix that. So today we are making cinnamon bun lip scrubs. So let's get started. So for this lip scrub, we have a few simple ingredients. We have ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, brown sugar, white sugar, and extra virgin olive oil. So after you added all your ingredients, this should be the consistency. So for your final step, you're going to want to add on these cute labels. The link will be down below. And there you go, no more chapped lips. Bye!